you were discussing Oumuamua, which is an object that we detected in space that you believe could possibly have been extraterrestrial.
What if we told you that an object from another star system went directly through our solar system, and its origins are more enigmatic than we ever imagined? NASA has declassified new photographs of Oumuamua, a mysterious interstellar object discovered in 2017. This is a momentous occasion for astronomy and space research. This cigar-shaped object has sparked great scientific interest and popular attention due to its remarkable speed, trajectory, and mysterious behavior. NASA's choice to share these new data and photographs has reignited the discussion over the object's exact nature, challenging long-held views and offering up new possibilities. Is Oumuamua merely cosmic detritus, or evidence of extraterrestrial technology? Let's explore how NASA's latest discoveries regarding Oumuamua impact the future of astronomy and humanity. Chapter 1. The Discovery of Oumuamua. On October 19, 2017, the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii observed an object moving quickly across the night sky. This object, which at first appeared to be a comet or an asteroid, quickly revealed itself to be something considerably odd. Unlike any other comet, it lacked the distinctive light tail produced when the sun burns the frozen gases on a comet's surface. Its behavior challenged its classification as an asteroid. This item baffled scientists due to its elongated, cigar-like appearance and extraordinarily rapid speed. They rapidly recognized it wasn't just a comet or an asteroid, but something unprecedented, an intergalactic visitor. Astronomers dubbed it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian term meaning scout or messenger, reflecting its role as the first known object from another star system to pass through our own. The discovery constituted a watershed moment in astronomy because it allowed scientists to explore an object from outside the solar system up close. Despite extensive research, Oumuamua remains a mystery. The unusual course of Oumuamua added to its mystery. Unlike other things orbiting the sun, it was not gravitationally connected to the sun or any other body in our solar system. Instead, its trajectory showed that it had entered from interstellar space and was only passing through before returning to the expanse of space. Oumuamua's form was unique among known astronomical objects. Estimates imply it was up to 10 times longer than it was wide, which is unusual in space. Most objects, such as asteroids and comets, have a more spherical or irregular shape. Scientists were perplexed by its long, narrow shape and high speed. Early models attempted to explain how such a thing could develop organically. Another oddity was that its speed increased as it went away from the sun, almost as if some invisible power was propelling it. Astronomers were left with more questions than answers after finding no traces of outgassing, which is common in comets and causes jets of gas and dust to accelerate the object. One of the prevalent possibilities concerning Oumuamua is that it could be a component of a bigger mass blasted from its parent star system millions or perhaps billions of years ago. Although interstellar space is anticipated to contain large amounts of debris from the development and destruction of planetary systems, this was the first time such an object was directly spotted transiting through our solar system. Until now, astronomers had only hypothesized about the existence of interstellar objects. The finding of Oumuamua validated these predictions and revealed that many more similar objects may travel through our solar system unnoticed, too small or dim to detect. The origin of Oumuamua is unknown. Some believe it originated in a planetary system similar to our own, maybe ejected by gravitational interactions with a big planet or star. Others believe it came from a faraway dying star system, where powerful forces might have ejected the item long before it reached us. The age of Oumuamua is unknown, although it could be billions of years old, a remnant of the universe's fast formation of stars and planets. Oumuamua's remarkable acceleration as it exited the solar system has led to several theories, some more controversial than others. Many scientists believe the acceleration was due to natural causes, such as solar radiation pressure affecting its surface. Others, including Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, speculated that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, possibly a piece of alien technology designed to explore other star systems. Although this theory is still hotly discussed, it demonstrates how weird and difficult to define this entity truly is. Astronomers have only a small window to observe Oumuamua before it goes beyond our telescopes. As a result, many of its properties, including its precise composition and structure, remain unknown. The discovery of Oumuamua has radically transformed our knowledge of interstellar space, as it was unlike anything observed before. Scientists now understand that such objects exist and are probably significantly more prevalent than previously imagined. However, discovering them will be a problem, as Oumuamua's discovery was largely due to serendipity. Chapter 2. NASA's Declassification, a turning point in 2023. NASA published declassified high-definition pictures of Oumuamua, obtained during its brief journey within our solar system. These photographs have revealed previously unknown details about this intriguing cosmic object, paving the way for further scientific research and reigniting arguments regarding its exact nature. Before this publication, scientists had only little data to work with, consisting primarily of low-resolution photos and basic observations obtained during its quick journey. Researchers have used precise images to uncover previously unknown properties of Oumuamua, including its structure, composition, and unique movement. The images reveal the surface of Oumuamua, which is one of the most remarkable discoveries. Previous observations revealed that the object was elongated and spinning, but the freshly published photographs show that it has a highly reflective surface. This could imply that the surface is coated with metal or a glittering layer of ice, resulting in a mirror-like shine when viewed from specific angles. Such reflectivity was not visible in the low-resolution data before, but the new photographs allow scientists to hypothesize more confidently about the object's composition. The existence of a reflecting surface has sparked fresh thoughts. Could this be a remnant of a celestial entity ejected from another star system millions of years ago and coated in ice or metal? Or is it possible that the shiny surface represents something even more intriguing, perhaps even technological, as some have suggested? The theory that Oumuamua is an item from an advanced civilization has gained currency in some circles, especially when the latest photographs revealed traits that are impossible to explain through natural processes alone. The highly shiny surface, strange elongated shape, and inexplicable acceleration as it exited the solar system have led to speculation that Oumuamua is not a natural object. Some scientists have speculated that it could be a probe or debris from an ancient spacecraft launched by a civilization that existed long before humans arrived on Earth. This speculative idea is supported by the fact that no other known item has demonstrated all of Oumuamua's properties, particularly its speed and trajectory, which appear exceedingly exceptional for natural interstellar junk. However, not all scientists support these more radical conclusions. Many scholars feel that Oumuamua is a naturally occurring item, but one that challenges our present understanding of its formation and behavior. New photos confirm the notion that Oumuamua is a piece of a larger astronomical entity blasted from its home system due to a collision or close encounter with a giant star. In this case, its highly reflecting surface could be explained by a layer of ice generated as it traveled over the chilly expanse of interstellar space. As it went through our solar system, the sun's radiation may have caused the ice to sublimate in ways that contributed to its unusual acceleration, giving the impression of an artificial force pushing it. The significance of NASA's decision to declassify these photos goes beyond the scientific information they contain. By making these high-definition photographs available to the public, NASA has taken a step toward greater transparency in its management of space discoveries, allowing amateur scientists and enthusiasts to participate in the analysis alongside professional astronomers. This move reflects a growing interest in the mysteries of space, including the study of interstellar objects like Oumuamua. It also demonstrates NASA's realization that the public has an interest in studying these events. The publication of these photographs has sparked renewed interest in the study of objects that transit our solar system from distant star systems. These images provide vital data for evaluating the most confusing questions about Oumuamua. Its unique shape, quick spin, and surprising behavior as it exited our solar system have perplexed astronomers since its discovery in 2017. The images give vital visual evidence, allowing for a more informed appraisal of the opposing theories concerning its origins and characteristics. Whether it turns out to be a piece of natural space junk or something more unusual, the information from these photos will surely shape our knowledge of interstellar objects for years to come. Chapter 3. Unusual Trajectory and Acceleration. Oumuamua's discovery remains a mystery that transcends conventional explanations. Its odd shape, described as elongated and cigar-like, with a length-to-width ratio significantly larger than that of conventional asteroids or comets, set it apart right away. The smooth, shining surface suggested something other than a rough, rocky, or ice composition, raising suspicions about the material. Perhaps the most perplexing feature was its acceleration. Oumuamua, unlike other objects in the solar system, accelerated as it went away from the sun, causing significant dispute. In space, an item is supposed to either follow the curved trajectory defined by the sun's gravitational field or, if far enough away, continue its route at a decreasing speed. Comets frequently undergo tiny fluctuations in speed due to outgassing, a process in which the sun's heat forces frozen gases in a comet to sublimate, resulting in a visible tail and a small thrust. Despite having no visible tail or outgassing, Oumuamua's speed unexpectedly rose. Due to the lack of a conventional explanation, scientists have speculated that an alternate force or material may be involved. One fascinating hypothesis is the presence of a rare substance on its surface that reacts differently with sunlight. Some researchers have postulated that Oumuamua could be coated in a tiny film of metallic hydrogen or another reflective, light-reactive chemical, causing it to behave differently than known space objects. This theory is based on the idea that when sunlight strikes such a material, it can create enough pressure to propel the object forward at a faster rate, much like a solar sail does. This leads to a particularly interesting hypothesis. Oumuamua could be a solar sail, a contraption designed to capture the energy of sunlight for propulsion. Solar sails are a sort of propulsion device that is currently being developed on Earth. They use big, reflecting surfaces to capture the pressure of photons from stars and accelerate over enormous distances. If an intelligent culture sends probes or spaceships across interstellar distances, they may use similar technology. The theory is hypothetical, but not without value, especially given Oumuamua's thin, flat shape and behavior, which matches the hypothesized movement of such a sail. Its speed and acceleration could be the consequence of deliberate engineering rather than natural processes. Despite its appealing character, the extraterrestrial probe idea is being questioned. Critics say that the odd acceleration could have a natural basis, even if we haven't seen it before. Some scientists believe the explanation is a new type of outgassing that does not leave a visible trail. If Oumuamua contains unusual components in our solar system, such as frozen nitrogen or carbon-rich compounds, its outgassing could have been modest enough to elude detection, while generating essential propulsion. Others believe the object came from a broken planet or moon in another star system, with the ejection giving both the shape and trajectory we saw. When contemplating these possibilities, the concept of non-gravitational acceleration becomes increasingly important. While gravity normally governs the movement of celestial objects, other forces like as solar radiation pressure or gas ejections can affect the trajectory of small items in space. Oumuamua's case was intriguing due to the size of the non-gravitational force and the absence of apparent outgassing, prompting many to investigate alternative possibilities. The idea that Oumuamua could be a relic of superior alien technology opens up new possibilities. If the item is artificial, it could symbolize a civilization's endeavor to explore the universe via low-energy, long-term propulsion. Given the vast distances between stars, solar sails may be the most efficient mode of exploration, allowing a probe to cruise across space for years or millennia. This theory is also related to the Fermi paradox, which asks why, if intelligent extraterrestrial life exists, we have yet to detect proof of it. If Oumuamua is a piece of alien technology, its discovery could be the first step towards addressing the riddle. Although Oumuamua has left our solar system and is no longer accessible for investigation, its brief visit raises questions regarding interstellar objects. Whether it is a natural shard with strange features or a legacy of alien technology, it has begun a new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos. The enigma remains unresolved, but the concerns it prompted will likely spur further inquiry and exploration into the unexplored depths of interstellar space. Chapter 4. Is Oumuamua an alien artifact? The prospect of Oumuamua being a man-made object maybe a probe or spacecraft from an intelligent alien culture, has sparked tremendous interest and controversy among scientists and amateurs alike. While many specialists approach the matter warily, the attraction of extraterrestrial technology has caught the public's imagination, with conversations around the object being highly impacted by famous personalities in the scientific community. Among them is Dr. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astronomer who has become a major advocate for the hypothesis that Oumuamua is not a natural celestial body, but rather a man-made creation. Dr. Loeb argues that the object's unique velocity, acceleration, and elongated shape may imply intentional design. He thinks that Oumuamua's flat, elongated form suggests it could be a light sail, a sophisticated propulsion system that harnesses solar radiation pressure to travel the cosmos. This theory corresponds with ongoing research on Earth into solar sails, which are considered for future space missions because to their potential for efficient long-distance flight. The high acceleration of Oumuamua as it left the solar system, along with the absence of any observed outgassing, an expected feature for comets, has bolstered Loeb's argument. He thinks that sunlight might be pushing against the object's surface, producing propulsion in a manner that differs from natural processes generally seen in celestial bodies. This controversial theory claims that Oumuamua might represent a probe launched by an alien civilization, analogous to humanity's own Voyager missions. The thought that advanced civilizations might deploy countless such probes beyond space presents exciting possibilities concerning interplanetary exploration. Some of these probes might potentially travel for millions of years before discovering planetary systems like our own. Proponents of the extraterrestrial artifact theory suggest that Oumuamua's unusual qualities would distinguish it as the first interstellar visitor of its sort, posing intriguing questions about its origins and purpose. The object's elongated shape offers as another persuasive piece of evidence for the manufactured hypothesis. Unlike the uneven morphologies normally associated with asteroids and comets, which tend to be more spherical or lumpy, Oumuamua has an unusual length-to-width ratio of around 10:1. This distinctive cigar-like or disc-like form supports the hypothesis that it is a constructed object built to optimize surface area for efficient solar radiation absorption, boosting its propulsion capabilities. However, the alien artifact theory encounters skepticism within the scientific community. Critics underline the necessity to examine natural answers before concluding that an object is artificial, even if its behavior appears unorthodox. Some scientists think that Oumuamua might be a remnant of a larger entity broken apart by gravitational forces as it was expelled from its initial star system. This theory accords with the broader understanding of interstellar objects being relics of planetary systems that have endured catastrophic events, such as collisions with huge stars or interactions with black holes. Moreover, the hypothesis of Oumuamua as an exocomet has also gained momentum among certain experts. In this case, the item could be formed of unfamiliar materials from a distant star system. Its acceleration might result from the outgassing of strange compounds that do not create visible gas or dust, which would explain the early uncertainty around its designation as a comet. If such materials are there, they could trigger acceleration in ways we have yet to grasp fully. Furthermore, the peculiar properties of Oumuamua may result from unknown events related to its cosmic odyssey. If the object is debris from another star system, it may have journeyed through space for millions, if not billions, of years, undergoing processes unknown in our solar system. The unfamiliarity of its behavior creates significant challenges for scientists attempting to utilize traditional models based on known solar system objects. Chapter 5. Alternative explanations for Oumuamua. The idea that Oumuamua is an alien artifact has sparked public interest, yet it is not the sole explanation for its unique qualities. Most scientists believe that Oumuamua is a naturally occurring object, maybe ejected from a distant star system millions of years ago. One idea proposes that Oumuamua is a fragment of a larger entity, maybe a planet or moon, that was expelled through gravitational interaction with a massive astronomical object, such as a star, or a gas giant planet like Jupiter. This intense ejection mechanism could explain its speed, distinct trajectory, and strangely elongated shape. If the fragment hypothesis is right, Oumuamua may provide vital insights into planetary creation and destruction in other star systems. It may have been torn apart in a cataclysmic catastrophe, providing us with a unique view into the materials and forces at work. Analyzing its structure and composition may shed light on the elements that comprise planets in parts of the galaxy beyond our solar system. The gravitational forces that created Oumuamua may provide insights into how different star systems grow and interact over time. Another intriguing notion is that Oumuamua is a dark comet, a form of comet we have yet to encounter within our solar system. Unlike regular comets, which generate visible tails as they eject gas and dust when heated by the sun, a dark comet could be made of carbon-rich compounds or other materials that do not reflect light in the same manner. This could explain why Oumuamua lacked a visible tail and outgassing typical of comets. However, Oumuamua exhibited an unanticipated acceleration as it went away from the sun, leading some researchers to suggest that it could still be a comet, albeit formed of strange components that did not generate the normal observable impacts. If this hypothesis is correct, then Oumuamua may be the first example of a completely new type of interstellar object, dark comets, that we have yet to explore in great detail. Understanding such objects could transform our understanding of comets and the materials that exist outside the familiar confines of our solar system. Some scholars suggest that Oumuamua could be a piece of interstellar junk that has been traveling across the universe for billions of years. This idea proposes that it evolved early in the universe's existence, possibly during the chaotic eras when galaxies, stars, and planets were still forming. If Oumuamua is a relic from the early cosmos, its composition and structure may provide vital insights into the physical and chemical processes that happened during that formative period. Such debris, left over from the formation of galaxies and planetary systems, could aid in our understanding of the fundamental building blocks that define the present cosmos. Oumuamua's quick speed and trajectory may support the interstellar debris concept. Objects like Oumuamua may have been thrown out of their home systems by gravitational interactions or other cosmic events, sending them on long and lonely travels through space. The elongated form of Oumuamua is the consequence of weathering and shaping by deep space conditions over time. Studying Oumuamua may shed light on the conditions that existed in the universe's distant past before the formation of our solar system. These findings may shed light on the origin of galaxies, stars, and planets, as well as the impact of interstellar debris like Oumuamua on their evolution. Understanding objects like Oumuamua can reveal how frequently interstellar visitors pass through our solar system and what they can teach us about the universe. Chapter 6. Are we alone in the universe? The discovery of Oumuamua has prompted major philosophical debate about our place in the cosmos and the potential of extraterrestrial life. If Oumuamua is proven as an alien artifact, it would be the first direct evidence that we are not alone in the cosmos. This knowledge would fundamentally alter humanity's perspective of its own existence. For ages, people have struggled with existential dilemmas about the existence of other sentient species in the universe. The advent of Oumuamua, even as a single interstellar visitor, pushes us to revisit these questions. Its presence shows that our solar system is part of a much wider cosmic network. One of the most pressing philosophical dilemmas is how humanity would handle the discovery of extraterrestrial technology. If we find definitive proof that Oumuamua is a man-made object, it would suggest that other sentient civilizations exist and have advanced technologies capable of crossing great distances between stars. Oumuamua challenges the belief that extraterrestrial technology is only a science fiction concept. It raises questions about the limitations of human invention and what advanced technology may exist beyond our understanding. The potential discovery of alien technology would cause us to reflect on our progress as a race, possibly making us more cognizant of the enormous unknowns that yet await us. Beyond science and technology, such a finding would have far-reaching consequences for religion and philosophy. Many religious beliefs are based on the assumption that humans have a special or even divine place in the universe. The discovery of other intelligent entities would most likely lead to a reconsideration of these beliefs. It may spark fresh theological interpretations and philosophical arguments regarding the essence of life, the role of humankind, and the idea of common cosmic origins. If alien civilizations have pondered the same problems, it may imply that these existential inquiries are universal, transcending specific species and cultures. Furthermore, the presence of other civilizations might prompt us to reconsider what it means to be intelligent. Human experience, culture, and technology all have a significant impact on intelligence as we understand it. However, a meeting with alien entities has the potential to change the concept of intelligence itself, especially if their thinking, technology, or communication methods differ significantly from ours. It may even call into question the idea that evolved civilizations will behave in familiar ways, forcing us to reconsider how we think about progress, collaboration, and conflict in a cosmic environment. Chapter 7. What is next for Oumuamua? As Oumuamua leaves our solar system, questions remain. Can we ever completely grasp its origins, nature, or purpose? Although technology has enabled remote detection and investigation of Oumuamua, many doubts remain. However, the finding of this intergalactic visitor has paved the way for new scientific research and highlighted the importance of developments in space surveillance and exploration. The brief journey of Oumuamua through the solar system poses a significant challenge to understanding it. In October 2017, the spacecraft couldn't catch up with Oumuamua, which had already left the planet. However, this problem may motivate new systems developed expressly to intercept future interstellar objects. Scientists have offered a variety of possibilities, including rapid response spacecraft that might be launched immediately upon detection of an interstellar object, as well as pre-positioned probes that could be sent in space to chase such things when they arise. Future propulsion technologies, such as solar sails, may enable spacecraft to intercept objects like Oumuamua. While existing missions like the Parker Solar Probe and the James Webb Space Telescope have increased our ability to monitor distant cosmic phenomena, the next step in propulsion systems may allow us to visit interstellar objects and study them up close. This would enable scientists to investigate their composition, structure, and origins in ways that are currently impossible. The discovery of Oumuamua has generated a rising interest in the systematic search for more interstellar objects. In the coming years, advances in telescope technology will most certainly improve our ability to detect these visitors when they join our solar system. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, which is projected to be fully operational soon, is designed to continuously scan wide areas of the sky. This could help us identify other things like Oumuamua earlier and examine them in greater detail. Additionally, theoretical models continue to evolve, with astronomers revising their projections of how frequently interstellar objects may travel through our solar system. While Oumuamua was the first found, many more are likely to be discovered, potentially providing fresh insights into the far areas of space from where they originate. As our ability to identify and study interstellar objects increases, we will gain a better grasp of the universe beyond our solar system, unlocking the mysteries they bring with them. The finding of Oumuamua, whether natural or alien, has altered our understanding of the universe. It has opened up new areas of scientific research, challenged our preconceptions about the universe, and reignited enthusiasm in the quest for extraterrestrial life. As we review the data and photographs obtained during Oumuamua's brief visit to our solar system, one thing is clear. Its voyage through our cosmic backyard marks the beginning of a new era in our exploration of the cosmos. While the truth behind Oumuamua remains unknown, fresh discoveries get us closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Oumuamua and NASA's declassified images, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments. Do you think Oumuamua is a natural object or something more? The debate is far from over, and we want to hear what you think.